Okay, welcome to Blender. So, within the last tutorial, I really tried to film that and just make sure that it worked. I've changed recording software. Hopefully this works, and I'm trying everything. I'm pulling out all the stops here to get these tutorials to you guys. So this is Blender 4.5 if you guys didn't already know. It should be in the top corner, but I believe that the software cuts off the top bar at the top, and you can't really see my mouse moving around that much, which is kind of a little bit of a different setup. So I'm going to be trying to make some tutorials and try and get them out there. I don't know how much I'm going to be able to do. I hope that I can do more than I'd like to be able to, because this channel was all about teaching Blender and doing gaming and stuff like that, so it might just be the gaming that I do for a while. Yeah, it's a little bit of a tease. So essentially you can see what's being pressed up on the side right here, so hopefully that helps. What we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and make a background real quick. So this is going to be like a computer background. I'm going to go ahead and delete the default cube. We'll go ahead and add a plane. S for scale to bring that bad boy out. So we'll go 7 to heaven, and then we'll go with view up at the top right here, align view and align camera to view. So this is where our little piece is going to sit. So we're going to go ahead with a cylinder. And what I'm going to do for this is we're going to put an emission underneath. So right click shade smooth, S for scale, bring this down. So this is a nice little disc as such. We'll go with shift D and hold down that center scroll to bring this down. S for scale, bring this up. The underside is going to be the emission. The top side is just going to be regular. So let's go with G, bring this up. Let's get rid of our default light right here. The underside right here, let's go ahead and go to material, new, material on this side. And for some reason it's taking its sweet time again. I am trying so hard with this. Oh my goodness, what is going on? Alright, so we're going to call this ME for emission. My gosh, I hope you guys enjoyed the first two tutorials. Like, if this doesn't work out, then at least you guys have that to learn from. But like, I need to know what's going on, because I'm trying to figure this out with an AI as well, just to see what's going on. I mean, look at my chair, like, you can see straight through it. This is how, this is what I'm dealing with. Alright, so I'm gonna take the color right here. Come on. Let's change this to a blue. So when we render this, we can see that it comes like this. You want to change out that EV to cycles, and you should have something like this. Now, if we go 7 to heaven, where the camera is, this is what we're going to see. So let's go ahead and place a good few of these all over the screen itself. So just hold down shift and then click them both. We'll go view, align camera to view. Let's go with shift D, move this across, G, move this up. I'm going to go ahead and scale some of these down a little bit, just for this background, just kind of off center them as such, and then maybe we'll come over here and just go like S for scale and make this a huge one off the side. Let's try and put this one here. I think I'm just going to go ahead and continue my vlog channel, to be honest with you, and various other things that I'm doing. If you guys want to join me on those, they're linked within my channel. Oh my goodness. Right, okay, so once we've got something like this, we should have this nice little peachy background that's kind of very minimalistic kind of thing. You can go ahead and amend that the emission to make this a little bit brighter, but to be honest with you, I kind of like it like this, the way that it is. Yeah, just go ahead and hit render in that top left corner for the image, and that should be your desktop background. I hope you guys have enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.